Okay, so we are in the Easton area and we are going to stop at the Restoration Hardware Rooftop dining area to see if we can get in there for some dinner. And I am just vlogging today, so it won't be my typical style. I'll try to make it close to my typical style like I would with my GoPro, but I didn't bring that today because this was last minute. But I'd like to see what kind of food they have, so we'll see you in there. Bye. Okay, we are here. We were able to get a table. I just wanted to point this out real quick. This restaurant has like individual stalls, which are like unisex, which I really like when restaurants do that. This is like the second or third restaurant we've been to that do this, but it's kind of cool because, I don't know, for me it seems more sanitary, but this is kind of what it looks like. Anyway, I just want to show you guys out while I was in here. We'll see you out there with the food. This is a really nice restaurant. I'm feeling underdressed substantially. Still looking, but I would like a cappuccino to drink.
Of course. Do you want any flavors you have?
Oh, what are my options?
Oh, we have caramel, vanilla, chocolate, and ginger.
Ooh, is the ginger one good?
I think it's pretty good.
Is it? Okay, I'll try that. I've never had that before. And then I would prefer sugar in the raw if you have it.
Okay.
Get the Wolf's Ridge IPA.
Perfect. One of those 7 years right now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Any further questions about the menu?
Just one, and then I think we're ready to order. So are the sides shareable?
Most of them. I would say everyone except for the simple green salad and probably the regular salad.
Okay. Okay, so we would like the truffle fries.
Perfect.
And then, let's see. For a starter, we're going to do the artichokes.
Absolutely.
And then for my main course, I would like the lobster roll.
Perfect.
Do the burger. Can I add the avocado to that as well?
Any allergies or dietary restrictions you know of today? Thank you very much.
Thank you. Cappuccino with a heart and a nasty beer. Okay, so I traded up my cappuccino for a ginger beer. I don't think I've ever had this brand before. What did it say? After review what?
It said after review. Oh, because after review, $42.15 is available for you. Flip box.
Okay, so that was the Rooftop at Restoration Hardware. It was good. Oh, that's really bright. It was good. The restaurant is absolutely beautiful. But I would say that for what they serve, I mean, the food is really good, but for what they serve, I think that the food is overpriced. You know, like for example, we got the artichoke appetizer, and that was like $19, and in reality it was probably maybe worth $10, sort of a thing. The lobster roll was $30, and we've been places where you can get them as low as $15, like in Maine and places like that. So I mean, I do feel like it's overpriced for salads and sandwiches, but it was good. My lobster roll was really good. It was really fresh, so not mad at it. But I don't think that we would eat there again. I would recommend it for like a first time try, but I mean, it's not a place that we would repeat eating at. So I don't know. I would say 4 stars. You good with 4 stars, or should we go down to 3.5? Just because of being
4
overpriced.
Stars, but it was definitely overpriced. So with the caveat, like it's 4 stars worthy food,
but overpriced. Okay, that's all we have for you today. We'll see you next time. I really don't know what I have. I don't know when this is going to go up, but I really don't know what I have to do until, just vacation vlog. So anyway, see you next time. Bye.